Can she soap it? Here's the inspiration picture for the soap. I had no intention of recreating this design, but instead I used some concepts from it. I tried to use the same colors in a gradient style, and I wanted to create different silhouettes in the bars. the templates I created on Word and then just put silhouettes in there, and I made sure to have the measurements were square like the soap. My older daughter actually hand drew the Cheshire Cat one that I did. I taped the template to the soap and I used clay tools to poke through the template and create the outline. Then I scooped out the middle and filled it with soap dough. For the challenge, I used soap dough that I made, but since I'm recreating what I did to explain my steps, I used some amazing sorcery soap dough in Serious Black. Sorcery soap dough is just much easier to work with overall. I planed the face of the soap after I filled it in with the soap dough, and it planed a lot easier after I let it set up for a couple of hours. Then I had to detail the edges, and once all that was done, I found that using a little distilled water or rubbing alcohol helped smooth the surface a bit. For the photos I took, I actually used a small paintbrush and painted over the silhouettes with black mica mixed in rubbing alcohol. It helped smooth the soap dough and give a nice finish.